Hi, my name is Ashley McBride. Today is November 22nd, 2022, and I've got my mom with me for my surface anatomy video. The first body part that I'm going to be highlighting is the ulnar head. It's just here on her wrist, this bump. This is part of the skeletal system, which is responsible for the structure and shape of the body. Bones are important not only for providing vitamins to the body, but also for protection of the structures underneath them. The next system we're going to discuss is her eyes. Her eyes are part of the nervous system, and the eyes are specifically responsible for vision. Vision is really important for all people. A clinical application of understanding vision would be a loss or a change in vision could be indicative of a neurological condition. The next area that we're going to be discussing is her hair. Hair is actually part of the integumentary system, and not only is it responsible for protection and warmth, it's also responsible for sebaceous secretions. Sebaceous secretions are especially important in diagnosing such things as hormonal disorders, and thinning or thickening of hair could also be an indication of a hormonal change. The next thing we're going to discuss is her mouth. Your mouth is important for both your digestive and respiratory system. In your digestive system, it's responsible for mastication, which is the first step of digestion. And in the respiratory system, it's responsible for moving air. The clinical application for understanding oral health not only spreads into other systems, because oral health can affect all other parts of your body, but specifically, mouth sores or lesions or changes in oral health that can't be explained could be indicative of various health challenges, from nutrition problems to hormonal issues. The last, but definitely not least, feature that we're going to be talking about is her bicep. So this line here we can see is indicating where her bicep begins. The bicep is part of the muscular system, which is really important for movement. It does some circulation and vitamins too, but mostly it's important for movement. Understanding muscular health is important for understanding nutrition of a patient, activity levels of a patient, and other health problems such as autoimmune disorders and things that we would need to be able to diagnose easily. Thank you.